everyone! Welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel if bago pa lang kayo. Hi, my name is Val and I'm a mom of two. We are a small family of four. Dumi ng kamay ko! Oh my God! Please disregard. My God, kakahiya. Again, my name is Val and I am a mom of two kids. 11 years old and 6 years old. Have a husband, guys. So my channel is all about my personal financial journey, guys, in which I share my budgeting method and how I do my cash stuffing budget to be more committed on my goals. I am 30 years old and I work full time. I do have a sideline business, but still not earning. So what I usually do is that I most likely do my budget only within my full-time job income. So for today, we are going to cash stuff my first paycheck for the month of October. So October, November, 3 months to go na lang, guys, and it's gonna be Christmas. So how are you so far? Parang kailan lang it's snap of like, you know, parang nag-January cash stuffing pa lang tayo before, and now here we are, October. This is the good thing about having this kind of videos kasi I can recall or I can review what I've done so far for the last 8 months. 9 months? 8 months, yeah. First thing first, before we do cash stuff, let's see if we have rollover. So rollover natin, guys. This is my paycheck. My allowance for the week 2. But nag-check out ako, I bought something in Shopee. So it's 178. So if you wonder what it is a yung aesthetic look na sandwich wrapper. Most of the time kasi, or almost, guys, yung pinapabaon ko sa aking mga anak is a sandwich. Gusto ko kasi mabigat sa tiyan nila yung binabaon. Maaga yung klase nila. They are in a public school and they don't usually eat breakfast na with rice. So most likely cereal lang or di kaya egg or ulam lang yung kinakain nila. Hindi sila masyadong nagkakain ng rice, and sobrang aga pa kasi. So their snacks is around 9 a.m. ata, 10 a.m. So gusto ko pinapabaon sa kanila is either something bread or mabigat sa tiyan. Magsiset aside muna ako ng 178. I have it here. Shopee! But wala akong, oh my God. Yeah. So, meron akong 100 pesos na rollover and I have an envelope of rollover, guys, which is a good thing kasi at least I'll be able to see yung extra na pera ko. So I have 350 rollover allowance from my 2 weeks allowance, guys. So I'm not sure what I will be doing it for now. So lalagay ko lang muna siya dito sa rollover envelope. Hindi ko muna yan tatanggalin. And let's clear things out. Savings, dito na muna yan. Grocery, allowance, and then we have public transportation. Actually, yung public transportation, guys, 1,100 ito. It's just that hiniram ng aking in-law yung 500. So, babalik niya naman yan. Kasi nagbayad ako ng Shopee niya. So, pabalik niya daw. So, we have the Union credit card, vitamins. So, I'll keep the vitamins here kasi it's more like on a savings jar ko for my medical funds. Mamshi, wala. So, education, which is in class. So, yeah, I think I'm all good. So, we'll start na for our cash stuffing. Move ko lang to ha. Kasi parang ano eh. Ganyan. Minsan, sabi ko sandali na lang. Alright, for the actual income natin, it's 13,400. There we go. So, again, yung nilalagay ko dito is I have a goal of income which is 30K bi-weekly. So far, I'm just not even halfway there. Savings is to commit 3K each paycheck, which is hindi ko alam. Hindi ko masyadong makommit because kulang na kulang talaga. So, now, what we're gonna do is to do the debt. So, for the debt, we have 15,500 and then 2,300 for the eyeglass. So, KKK. So, 1,500. So, that's 2,000. 2,000. Okay, let's do this. So, I'll do the CP and the swimming savings first for the debt, guys, kasi I'll have to see if I can pay out for the eyeglass. So, sa magtatanong, ano yung sa eyeglass? Yung daughter ko, which is yung 6 years old, pina-check ko yung mata niya and we found out na sira yung kanyang mata. So, which is very sad, guys, kasi ang mahal ng kanyang eyeglass. Parang yung, ang tawag dito, yung grado ng kanyang mata, it's 600 sa right and then 900 sa left. So, medyo masakit po siya sa damdamin kasi hindi ko na-realize gano'n na pala kalala yung kanyang eyesight. So, even though I spent like 5,800 sa kanyang eyeglass and then with a discount of 10%, so it went to 4,800 na lang. So, kahit masyadong mahal, mabigat sa bulsa, I bought that eyeglass for her para hindi na mas maging malala at maging okay po siya sa klase na nakakita siya perfectly sa blackboard ng teacher niya at nakakasulat siya at nakakabasa siya perfectly kasi nakikita niya na yung mga letra at words and sentences. So, yun. I do have like yung 4,800, guys. Kinuha ko siya from my savings. So, meaning, uutangin ko siya from the savings and I have to put it back. I have to return it and I have to pay it back kasi ang tawag ko dito, utang. So, I'll have the savings which is mamaya na. Then, we'll have the grocery. By the way, I'm a little happy with the grocery kasi talagang I stay on top with my 1,500 na budget. So, let's see. Kasi for the 2 times na nag-grocery ako, I was able to commit. Yeah, I was able to commit. Now, let's see for the allowance, which is 3,500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, and 5. So, ito yung pinaka-helpful na tip for me, guys, in terms of allowance. Before kasi, with my allowance, daily allowance, I just budget 2K each paycheck. But suddenly, I realized na kulang talagang every now and then ang hinam ako sa mga envelopes dito, babayaran ko sa susunod. So, what I did, yung tip ko dito, guys, is to figure out your daily expenses, yung pamasahe, magkano yung gasto niya sa food, and then i-multiply nyo for 7 days. So, for week 1, ang week 1 ko, guys, is 1,250 and then another 1,250 for another week para talagang dyan lang ako, 1,250 every week. Yan yung gagastusin ko for my allowance. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Ay, 1 to 50 ba? Wait lang. Parang nagkamali ako. Let me double check. Minsan, sabi ko na 3. Yeah, 3, 5. So, 3, 5 divide by 2, 1,750. Sorry guys, 1,750 pala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, wala akong ano dito. 1, 2, 1,750 po pala. Kamali ako. So, I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, since wala akong 50 pesos, I'll do this muna. Ganito yan. Okay? So, itry nyo yung ganitong method, guys, if nahihirapan talaga kayong mag-budget, if na-overlap or na-overspend kayo. So, mas maganda na alamin nyo talaga magkano yung daily expenses ninyo, budget it for daily, and multiplied for 7 days for exactly 1 week. So, for daily, dapat kagastusin ko is 250 only. So, mga ganon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, para, talagang exactly lang yung amount ko. And then, when it comes to yung mga Shopee or mga in-order ko online, guys, yung ginagawa ko talaga is dito ko sa allowance kinukuha. So, mamaya na ako mag-check out if meron ako nakikita na sobra sa aking allowance. So, I'm all good. Next is yung public transportation, which is 1K. And then sa utilities. So, utilities, guys, is the electricity. So, when it comes to electricity, yon. So, when it comes to electricity, sa mga bago talaga dito, I am staying with my in-laws. So, nag-share lang po ako ng bayad. Wala pa akong rental. So, if naninibago kayo, bakit walang rental dyan, Val, or walang house rent? So, nakikitira po muna kami sa aking mother-in-law. And then, sa medical, adding 500 here. And then, so si Ma'am Shi naman po is yung mother-in-law ko. Minibigyan ko siya ng 2K each month for her medical allowance. O pangdagdag na lang sa gamot niya. And then we have the miscellaneous. So before yung miscellaneous talaga, yes. Ito yung ito yung like Netflix or any checkout. Now, for the education part, guys, I enrolled my son into a swimming class or swimming lesson. So, that's 4,500. Para na din ako nagbabayad ng private na school, no? But I want him to be into sports. I noticed na hindi naman talaga po siya matalino na bata or nag-excel in terms of academics. So, mas gusto kong i-achieve na lang niya yung part ng sports para meron naman siyang for fun, and then at least meron siyang ma-achieve sa kanyang sarili into sports. And one of that I choose for him is swimming lesson. Bakit hindi ko pina-enroll ng basketball or tennis or other sports? Why swimming class? Because when he grow up, guys, it will be very useful. So, very useful in terms of knock on wood, pagsasakay siya ng barko and something happen. So, at least he can save his life and he can also save other lives. And then, aside from that is kapag nasa beach sila, at least parunong talaga siyang lumangoy. And he can save himself, and if in case meron nagda-drown, he can save others. So, yun. Parang mabait ko naman, no? Others talaga yung inano ko. So, that's 2,250. Well, actually, 2,200 na lang. 2,200 for his swimming class. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. So, palitan ko lang muna ito kasi sayang yung 500. So, yung question for today's video, guys, ano yung part ng budgeting ninyo na nahihirapan talaga kayong mag-commit or stay with the budget? Ako, noon dito ako sa allowance talaga or sa food, but I come up with a solution, and that's why every now and then meron talaga akong rollover. So, kayo, ano yan, guys? Comment kayo sa baba, and let's talk. So, this is for the swimming class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Merong sobra na 200, which is we're going to roll over na lang. Sige, sa roll over na lang. Dito sa roll over, dagdag ko na lang to sa roll over, guys. Oh my god. Oh, wait lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sayang eh. Kaya papalitin ko. Dito sa allowance na part. Dito sa week 1. Here we go. And ito yung sa rollover, guys. So, lalagay ko muna. Okay. There we go. I am all good. Yes, I'm all good, guys. And I think that's it for today's video. I will find something here kung paano ko to babayarang utang ko sa high class. So that's it for today, guys. I love you all, and I hope you stay committed with your budget. So wala pa rin akong na-save dito. I will try to figure it out, guys. Okay? So I think that's it for now, guys. Hopefully nagustuhan nyo ang ating video for today na cash stuffing. And we're almost there. October, November, December. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye, guys.